Hi, I'm Steve Schultz, and I want to congratulate you on taking the next step in learning how you can become part of the next billion-dollar household name. Sendout Cards is revolutionizing the greeting card and the gifting industry and sharing the wealth that it creates. Now, there are 3 ways to make money. Number 1, increase sales and profits. Number 2, sharing the system with others. And number 3, building a team of people who are using and sharing the system. Now, if you don't have customers or clients that you deal with on a regular basis, number 1 might not apply. However, numbers 2 and 3 apply to everyone. So with that in mind, let's talk about all 3, starting with increasing sales and profits. Now, those of you who deal with customers on a regular basis, the best customers that you have are the ones you already have. 68% of customer defection is because of perceived indifference. The customer doesn't care. Creating relationships will make them care. A 5% improvement in customer retention equals a 25 to 85% improvement in profitability. And the cost of retaining a customer is 10% the cost of acquiring a new one. I love what Walt Disney said. Walt Disney said, do what you do so well that they'll want to see it again and bring their friends. Now, here's an example of how to use Sendout Cards to reach your customers.
Hi, I'm Jim McCord. I'm a full-time realtor in the Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky area. This short video clip will change the way you do real estate business and increase your business in ways you will not believe. To be successful in real estate, you need 2 things, listings and referrals. Referrals have never been easier. Since I've joined Sendout Cards, my clients' first card they get in the mail at their new house is a classy greeting card with a picture of them in front of the house they just purchased. On the inside is a thank you note thanking them for their business with another picture of the owner and his daughter. I'll compare that with a thank you letterhead that I used to send. It's simple. Clients love getting pictures of themselves. They're keepsakes. They'll keep these. Typically, they'll put them either on the mantle or they'll put them on their refrigerator. I'd like to show you one more card. This gentleman listed his property with me for $850,000. It sold a month later for $818,000. I received a $20,000 commission check. This is the card I sent Bill. Notice there's a gift card to Home Depot. I always include a gift card, and you can do that with Sendout Cards. A gift card to Home Depot for $50 or $100. My clients love getting these cards. Listings. How do you guys go after listings? Let me show you what I used to do before I joined Sendout Cards. This is the exact mailer that I used to use, either mail or drop off to a for sale by owner to get listings. Notice it has pictures of me and my team on the front with information why they should consider listing with Jim McCord. For expireds, I sent this or dropped this off the day it expired. Same thing, your listing has expired with a photo of me on the bottom. Now, pretty much all agents are doing something similar to that. What you need to do in this market is something completely different. Now let me show you what I've been doing since I joined Sendout Cards. For sale by owners now get a classy greeting card with a picture of their house on the cover of the card. On the inside, information why they should consider listing with the McCord team and another photo of the view from their house. Let me show you a 2-family I went after just this past summer. This house was listed by 2 different agents prior to me. They got this greeting card in the mail, information on the inside, another picture of their house. They called me to list their house. This system works. In today's real estate market, you need to be different. You need to stand out from the crowd. Our buyers and sellers really don't care about pictures of me, pictures of you, information on our company. What they love getting is a custom greeting card with pictures of their house, their family, or pictures of themselves. Now, these cards cost me a total of 93 cents plus postage. I don't print the card. I don't address the card. I don't even write on the inside of the card, stamp or mail the card. That's all done by the company. Yet the handwriting on the inside of the card is in my handwriting. I create these cards in a couple minutes on my computer, hit send, the company does the rest. It's an unbelievable system.
The second way to make money is sharing the system with others. You will earn 20% on all the preferred customer volume. For example, if you had 10 customers who were spending $800 per month, you would earn $1,600 monthly. 20 customers spending $800 per month earns you $3,200 monthly. Now, if those customers only spent $400 per month, you would earn $800 on 10 and $1,600 on 20. You see, the average business customers with send-out cards spends between $600 and $1,500 per month. You do the math. The third way to make money is building teams of people using and sharing the system. To create wealth, go share send-out cards with a few people and have them do the same who do the same. Now imagine getting paid every single time one of these people sends cards and gifts. You see, we do two things. We gather customers and we build teams of people who gather customers. Now, let's say that this is you. When you sign up your first 3 preferred customers, not including yourself, within your first 30 days, you will earn a $50 Fast Start bonus. Now, here's where you start building a team of people who do the exact same thing. For each new person who purchases an MD package that you personally sponsor, you will earn a $140 commission. That's $140 per person. But remember, these new distributors are going to want to get their customers in 30 days so that they can earn their $50 Fast Start bonus. You can promote yourself 5 times. You will need to gather 3 new preferred customers to promote to each new rank in addition to team building. Every time you get promoted, you make more money. You can earn a customer acquisition bonus between $100 and $195 on every person who joins your team who purchases an MD package if you've completed the customer requirement. And these bonuses are paid to an unlimited number of levels. So think about that. What if 10, 20, or 100 new people joined your team in a month? That is big money. And you can also earn up to 25% on all of the cards and gifts sent by all of the send-out cards users in your organization. And again, this bonus is paid to an unlimited number of levels. For example, if you sponsored 3 distributors who each did the same 7 levels deep, you would have 3,279 distributors in your organization. Not bad, because you only did the work to bring in 3. Now, if all of these distributors signed themselves up and 3 additional preferred customers at $39 per month, you would earn $16,267 per month. Now, please understand, it will never grow in perfect geometric progression because some people will get more and some people will get less. But what if only 10% of my example worked? That's still over $1,600 a month in commissions. Now, you can get started with a fully refundable application deposit of $50. However, if you want to take advantage of everything that Send-Out Cards has to offer, I recommend that you get started as a marketing distributor with a one-time setup fee of $395 with an annual renewal fee of $59. Now, for about $1 a day, you will get everything you need to build a successful business, including our social media platform, Sincere, for free. You'll also get a card and gift sending platform, a contact manager, and mobile app. You'll also receive a social media business site for free for the first month. You'll get 200 points so that you can start sending cards and gifts right away. You will get the custom brand manager so you can brand yourself or your business on the back of your greeting cards. You will get 1 handwriting font and 4 signatures. You'll also get a SOC memory vault with unlimited card history, marketing websites, training, and customer support. You see, Send-Out Cards is changing the lives of thousands of people all over the world, and it's time to get started. Send-Out Cards is poised for massive growth and will become a worldwide household name. This is very simple. When you get back together with the person who invited you to see this presentation, let them know if you are a 1 or a 2. You're a 1 if you want to be a customer and experience the convenience and savings by sending cards and gifts. You're a 2 if you want to build a send out cards business and get paid by becoming a marketing distributor. Get back with the person who invited you to view this presentation and let them know if you are a 1 or a 2 and get started today.